Have you ever noticed something that whenever you share your YouTube link on other platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, a lot of people are clicking this link, but your subscribers and watch time are not really increasing? It is because you are promoting your YouTube link the wrong way. I'm going to show you one simple method you can use to increase your subscribers and watch time with just your channel and video link. This method is what I call straight to YouTube. So if you're also a small creator and you want a real growth, then pay a very close attention to me. Anytime you share your YouTube link on other platforms like WhatsApp or Facebook, you are losing growth. And most people don't know this because other platforms don't want you to take their user away. They want people to stay longer on their platform. This hurts your growth. External traffic does not count well. People don't easily subscribe. They don't see your other videos, which will affect your subscriber growth and watch time. And honestly, what is the point if they don't subscribe or explore your channel? So that is why I'm going to show you how to fix this once and for all. Now, follow me step by step. So go to a website called openinapp.com. So open your browser and type open in app. You can use any browser to do this. And right now I am using Chrome on my Android phone. So this works on any device. So click the first result to make it easier. I will also drop the link in the video description. So you can even download the app for free from the Play Store. Now let me show you how to use it. So click on the login, then click create a new account. So you're going to sign up with your Google account and you are done. So this is what the dashboard looks like. So next is to go to YouTube. So you're going to copy your link or any video link you have on your channel. So come back to open in app and click on smart link. So click on smart link down here. So you're going to paste the link you copied right here, then click generate link. So now your smart link is ready. So before copying it, you can edit it. So click here to customize the link. So you can add your channel name to make it look clean and branded. So then click on next. So this part is optional. Just click done. Now you have your smart link, copy it and use the link anywhere you want. So when someone clicks this link, it is going to take them straight to YouTube app. That means better watch time, more subscription and real growth. You can also see how many people click the link here, so you can know where your traffic is coming from. So if this video helped you, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. Stay blessed.